As Denison welcomes growth and positive change all around the city, we also uphold the value of our community's history. And to preserve that history while providing affordable, quality housing for the future, we introduced the Denison Renovation Incentive Program. This program provides financial support for those who will step up and restore existing buildings to return or repurpose them to beautiful living and commercial spaces. Once qualified, financial incentives are available at every step of your project. Beginning with the waiver of the residential remodel building permit fees, you can save at least $245 and possibly more depending on the overall value of your project.
Saving $245 on the permit fees is really an incentive to help get started on this kind of a project and let you know that the city is there to help and supportive in the fact that you're doing something that's going to be good for the community.
For the neighborhood.
Yeah, one house starts and then another house starts, and it helps.
Qualified projects are eligible for up to 2 RollOff containers at a generously discounted rate.
I started remodeling properties last year and was able to complete 6 of them, and this year I'm currently under construction on 4. I love the Renovation Incentive Program for all the benefits that it offers. They waive our permit fees, and we also get 2 significantly discounted dumpsters, which come in really handy whenever you have a project that needs multiple dumpsters. And so it's just a great benefit that the program offers.
City of Denison's offering another great incentive program, offering 1% back on sales tax for any building materials bought in the City of Denison. It's another reason to get your project started.
Anytime you can save money, whether it's with fees being waived or getting discounts on materials or anything, it's always a good incentive to help. Anytime you can save $1, there's nothing wrong with that.
It's really nice to have somebody that you can go talk to face if there's a problem, if there's a positive. It's a good relationship to have. We're really happy to be able to work with the local supply houses.
All this goes towards improving the look and quality of Denison's neighborhoods.
Another great benefit of the Renovation Incentive Program is that the city will come and replace any of the damaged sidewalks. So the way that works is that once you get your final certificate of occupancy, you can apply for the sidewalks to be installed at no charge to you, and it's just such a great benefit and adds so much curb appeal to the property that you just remodeled.
All improved projects will benefit from a cash rebate based on the newly assessed taxable value.
And it ends up being about 6% of a rebate based off of the increased value of that home. So if you increase the value by $100,000, you can expect about a $6,000 rebate a year later. And it's just such a great benefit to use that money and roll it into the next project, or you can even use and budget that money in your current project for any upgrades that you may not have planned for in the current project.
I'm Janet Gott, Mayor of Denison, and we could not be more excited about the success of our Renovation Incentive Program. Since launching in 2017, we have accepted 120 projects into the program, and this represents an investment of $7.5 million in our community. To date, 58 of these projects have been completed, and the homeowner or investor has received an incentive check averaging $4,500. This program is all about improving existing homes and building equity. The value in these completed homes has increased on average by 213%. So if you have a home or know of a home that you want to turn into a community treasure, our staff stands ready to help. So call us at 903-465-2720, extension 2456, or visit us at City Hall on the 2nd floor. We are ready to help you get started.
Let's keep moving forward with the Denison Renovation Incentive Program.
Moving forward, kicking back, City of Denison.